Hey guys, I'm JD over here at Guarantee RV. Today we are looking at a used R-Pod. It is a 2016 179. Starting out in the front, you are going to get a propane tank, a manual hand crank up front, and then also a battery. And then you are going to have a small little storage space right there. You got some plugins if you're outside cooking or watching a TV. Up top, we got some speakers, so when you're out, you can actually listen to some music. Now, also basically a portable solar panel kit. Plug and play, super nice and easy. On the back, we are gonna have a spare tire. And then moving all the way on to this side, we are gonna have our outside shower and basically the cable and satellite hookups, and then your main power. You are gonna have one drain port on this side of the wheel, and then on the other side you'll have your basically your other one. You'll have your main city water connection for all there, and then coming on to the inside, we're gonna have a nice kind of layout, and your kitchen is going to be in the back, and it's going to have plenty of space to actually do things and cut and cook without feeling like you're going to be crammed. You do have a fridge, a nice little microwave, and then coming on, we got a good sized dinette so you can lay back, kick back, and relax, or you got the decent sized bed in the back for such a small trailer. You do have a small little bathroom, compact, with a little fantastic fan in there as well. And then a decent amount of storage space too. With this used one, we do got a little swing TV. But besides that, guys, we're on a used 179 R-Pod 2016. If you're interested, give me a call at 541-954-4683. Thanks, guys.